Hello folks, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another photography based video. Well, kind of. So guys, photography based video, kind of? Well, let me explain. So guys, this is my Sony AX 53 camcorder. I don't know while it's going to actually focus. There we go, it's focused. So guys, that's my Sony AX 53 camcorder. It shoots 4K. Absolutely fantastic stabilization. It's what they call the BOS, or Balanced Optical Stabilization System. Brilliant camcorder. But it also takes photographs. Oh yes. Now the photography side of it is, I'm actually going to look at the settings and see, but the photography side of it, guys, is you've got various what we'll say resolutions, or I keep the seat there, pixel counts as it were, guys. So it will shoot in 16. It's a 16 megapixel. And that's its full resolution, and it'll do that at 16 by 9. But you can also shoot at, I just want to check, just to double check my findings, as it were, guys. So yeah, I should have done this before. But anyway, so it will, the maximum resolution, guys, it will shoot at 16 megapixels. So I'm reading off the screen here. It will shoot at 16 megapixel at a 16 by 9. It will also shoot at 8.3 megapixels at 16 by 9, and that's calling that medium files. And it will also do 2.1 megapixel at 16.9. Now, also, if you want to actually change to the more, shall we say, the traditional photo size, which is the 4x3, it will do a 12.5 megapixel. At 4.3, it will also do a 6.2 megapixel at 4.3, and it will also shoot in VGA. Anyway, guys, so that's the sort of settings. Now, for the purpose of this video, or the video and the photo session we're going to do with this, I've had this set at the fullest resolution, which is 16.3 at 9 by 16 by 9. So guys, that's what we're going to do. Now everything else on the camcorder is going to be set at auto. I'm actually not sure. I don't think you can actually change many of the settings like you can in a more traditional camera like this, guys. But everything's going to be auto. We're not going to change anything. So the really purpose of this little test was to see if we could use it as a sort of a, we say, an option to take photographs. So what we're going to do, guys, as it's a fairly bright day, we're going to take ourselves out to a local park, which is not too far away from home, and just take some sort of photographs. So we're not going to do too much video with the camcorder, probably a little bit, but we're not going to do too much video, and it's all about the photography. So guys, we are now going out to, as I said, out to somewhere called Lydiard Park, sort of a manor house and everything there, and I'm just going to try and grab some sort of pictures. I'm not going to try and sort of, what shall I say, I'm going to try and sort of make the camcorder or the camera part of it sort of try some different things, you know, sort of try and put it to the test instead of just normal snaps, if you like. Anyway, guys, I'm waffling on here, so we're going to go out to Lydiard Park and get some photographs. So we will see you out there, guys. So guys, here we are. We've now arrived at Lydiard Park. We've had to park quite a fair way from the main car park because it's just seemed rather busy. The sort of car park's over to my left hand side, which is probably your right hand side. It's an absolutely beautiful morning. We had to scrape the frost off the car this morning, but it's well worth it, wasn't it? We're going to enjoying yourself.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
When you're in that sunlight, it's just so
beautiful. Yeah. I think this it's a bit too heavy for holding this AX 53. Anyway guys, so as I said, we're going to get some photos with the Sony AX53. We're just coming into the sort of main part of the park. So this bright sunlight might not be ideal for video or even photography for that matter, guys. But we're going to walk around and do a bit of photography and just enjoy this beautiful weather. So I don't know how well the I can't really see the screen on the camcorder, guys. I don't know how well. I might be washed out, I might be underexposed, I don't know. Anyway guys, enough of the witter. We're just going to arrive at the main part of the park. So let's crack on and take some photos with a camcorder. How about that? That's a novelty. Guys, I'm just going to give you a quick pan round. Look at this beautiful blue skies. So I say guys, this is Lydia Park. We've been here before, so we're not going to spend much time doing any video in. This is all about the photography. So there's Lydiard House. Karen's off in the front. Some chums of hers over there, I think. So that's Lydiard House. Anyway guys, I think we're going to set it up for photography now. So folks, that concludes our photographic trip with a camcorder to Lydia Park. So, we spotted a burger van. So we're going to go...
spotted a burger van.
Okay, I spotted the burger van. So we're going to have a burger. Then we're going to go home and have a nice cup of tea. And while I'm making a cup of tea, guys, you can have a look at the photographs. And then we'll see what they're like, guys. So until that time, see you later on. Oh, there you are. Sorry about that, I was just having me tea. So guys, what do you think of them? Yeah, I was quite pleased. You know, considering it is basically a camcorder, it takes a half decent picture. You know, I would say it's on a par with you know, perhaps a mid-ranged compact or even a mobile phone. Yeah, I was quite pleased with them, and it does prove that you can take photographs with a camcorder. I suppose a couple of things I suppose to point out, that what I found with that one anyway, it seemed to take quite a long time from the image to write to the card. but that might be down to the card, of course. And it occasionally struggled to focus, depending on where you were on the zoom. I think the more you zoomed in, it seemed to take a lot longer to focus. But overall, I'm actually quite pleased with the results, and you know, not too shabby at all, as they say. So yeah, if I was stuck out with the camcorder and needed to take a photograph, then I would be quite happy to use the camcorder to take photographs. Now, one thing I did notice, I was sort of playing about with some of the settings. All the pictures that I've saved are at the high resolution of 16.3, was it? Yeah, 16.3. But what you can actually do, I'm going to show you, but the actual one, you see back on the back of the camcorder there, guys, the go button, and on the top, well, you can see that that's the yeah, that little button there is to what you do to take the photographs. If you're filming, you can actually, if you're in the lower resolution, so if you're in the sort of the 8 megapixels and the lower resolutions, if you press the photo button on top of the camcorder, it will take a still there. But if you're in the higher resolution, 16.9 at 16 megapixel, it will actually, you can't do both. Probably not explaining that very well, but you can't do both. It will, you know, it'll either be a camcorder or a camera, but at the lower resolutions, you can actually just click the photo button on the top and it will take a photograph. Or that I'm doing something wrong. Anyway, guys, that's it for this little short-ish video. Certainly proved that the camcorder can be used to take photographs. So, you know, if we needed to be, we can actually do that. So anyway, guys, enough of this waffling on. We will catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching this one, and we'll see you all again soon. Thanks now. Bye-bye.